Okay, so good day everyone. We have a question here na susubukan nating sagutan. Okay? Sabi dito, the crime committed violates RA 3019. So, ano po ba yan? Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act as amended. Okay, sabi sa facts, the offender is a government employee with a salary grade below 27 in NCR. The penalty is lower than 8 years. Which court should have jurisdiction over the case? Ngayon, paano natin sasagutan yan? Before we answer that, isa-isahin muna natin ano-ano po ba yung meron sa apat na choices na yan. Okay? So, let's start with MTC. MTC and Metropolitan Trial Court. So, the METC and MTC. We all know po, yung dalawa na yan ay papasok po sa ating lower courts. Meron po kasi tayong apat na lower courts. The METC or the Metropolitan Trial Court, yung MTC, meron din po tayong tinatawag na MTCC, Metropolitan Trial Court in cities, and of course the MCTC, the the Municipal Circuit Trial Court. Okay? So apat po yan na tinatawag nating lower courts. Ngayon, sabi sa jurisdiction nila, according to BP 129, okay, ang jurisdiction po nila ay dapat daw po ang nakomit na crime ay may imposable penalty of not exceeding 6 years. Meaning, kung tatagalogin natin, hindi lalagpas ng 6 na taon. Okay? How about the RTC? So, according sa BP 129, ang jurisdiction naman po ng RTC, dapat ang imposable penalty ay mag-e-exceed ng 6 years. So, lagpas na po ng 6 na taon. Ano-ano pa ba yung mga under ng RTC na yan? Meron din po tayong tinatawag na libel. And then, dapat yung fine naman daw po ay lalagpas ng 4,000 pesos. Okay? So, ano naman po yung Sandigan Bayan? Okay? Ang Sandigan Bayan po ay isang korte kung saan nililitis dito yung mga public officials natin na nakapag-commit ng crime related to their official function, okay? Pero dapat daw po yung salary grade po nila ay at least 27. Okay? Meaning, yung salary grade nila dapat daw po 27 paakyat para pumasok po sa Sandigan Bayan. Okay? Pero kung babalikan natin yung facts, nakalagay, offender is a government employee, meaning general. Lahat naman may mga government employee. Hindi po lahat ng government employee ay triable sa ating Sandigan Bayan. At hindi lahat ng government employee ay may salary grade 27. Pero nakalagay din sa facts, below nga po 27. So therefore, mali na po kung isasagot natin si Alpha. Alanganin na rin po kung sasagutin natin ang Bravo at Delta dahil kakadiscuss lang po natin, okay, na dapat daw po not exceeding 6 years. Ang nakalagay po kasi sa facts, lower than 8 years. So kung titignan natin sa choices, ang best answer po natin ay Charlie, which is the Regional Trial Court. Okay, so that's all. So see you for our next Q&A or our next question na pwede nating irasyo sa mga susunod.